There's no such thing as an accident. The term vehicle accident is a misnomer. According to the National Safety Council, an accident is either a vehicle crash or a vehicle collision. Think about that for a second. Rear-ending another vehicle is not an accident. Yes, it's an undesirable or an unfortunate event that occurred, but it's definitely not an accident. For example, let's say a driver was distracted or was speeding and couldn't stop in time. These two prime examples are not accidents. They're the actions and the decisions made by a driver, which therefore caused a vehicle collision. It's also 100% driver error, but definitely not an accident. And most definitely preventable by putting the phone down, slowing down, and not following vehicles so closely. It all boils down to driver error. Eliminate the root cause behind your auto loss runs and skyrocketing insurance premiums by eliminating distracted driving. It's no secret that reportcellphoneuse.com is more effective in eliminating distracted driving and related crashes than telematics and cameras combined. You can't out-technology our results. So if you're serious about eliminating distracted driving and related crashes for pennies a day, head on over to reportcellphoneuse.com to enroll your fleet and stop distracted driving for good. You'll thank us later. Oh, and by the way, thank you for joining our mission to end distracted driving.